Hello.
Goodbye.
Red, white,
Green.
black,
Blue. Yellow.
the cars are white. The eggs are red. The apples are green. The pens are green. The bicycles are white. The bicycles are red.
The milk is white. The apple is green. The car is green. The rice is white. The car is white. The bicycle is green. It is red. They are white. They are green. It is yellow.
The grass is green. The ball is green. The moon is white. The car is white. They are red. It is black and white.
It is blue and green. They are white.
The egg is blue. The sun is yellow. The sky is blue. The apple is yellow.
The flowers are big. The fish is big. The egg is big. The books are big.
The egg is small. The flowers are small. The eggs are small. The flower is small.
The dog is big. The flowers are small. The dog is small. The flowers are big.
They are police officers. He is a teacher. She is a doctor. I am a man.
I am a girl.
I am a boy.
I am a woman. We are girls.
We are police officers.
We are doctors.
We are boys.
You have a yellow book. I have a yellow book.
I have a green book.
You have a red book.
I have a red bicycle.
We have green bicycles.
We have green apples.
I have red apples. We have red flowers. She has red flowers. You have red flowers. I have red flowers. He has red flowers. They have red flowers.